Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another epic commission and drawing number 29 for Josh Duncan. Josh and I made some amazing drawings together and he ordered his first drawing many years ago, and now we came back after a very long time with an idea of his original Saiyan as Super Saiyan 4 Daima style. I already drew this OC of Josh in all the same forms and dedicated this epic video for that huge project. So for today's drawing, I was thinking of drawing Josh's OC in an epic full body pose from the side, battle damaged, surrounded by lightning and aura, and I will give it many details and a third layer of ink. This will be an epic drawing guys, and now we will do the line art. Make sure to watch the full video, that's very important for my channel. Also subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. And if you are also interested in a custom drawing, check out the commission contact info down below. And I see you again when the line art is complete. Let's go. Okay guys, line art done, the pose is amazing and the OC of Josh looks badass. Now we will color this with Copic gel markers only today. I got the refills, so we are back with the best quality markers possible for amazing drawings and commissions. As I said, I will draw with the third layer of ink today, and this gives the drawings so much details and also makes the characters look way more badass. So now I would say let's color the upper part and then we will check out the progress. Okay guys, the upper part is done and I think it looks amazing so far. The coloring is so good and this Saiyan is looking badass. And now we will continue with the lower part the same way, using these amazing Copics and coloring with black shades. So let's go. Very good guys, the character is fully colored, looks amazing, and now we will create an epic aura for him. I will draw a huge yellow aura, give it a nice blue background with lots of layers. The rocks I will color grey, and I will surround this badass Saiyan with red lightning. Sounds amazing, and that's what we're gonna do right now, so let's finish this. So guys, and there we have it. The OC of Josh as Super Saiyan 4 from Dragon Ball Daima in a very cool pose, and I have to say, this turned out amazing and badass. The blending is great, the colors are strong, and the aura looks dope. This was commission number 29 for Josh, and maybe soon we will draw number 30 for him, which would be a huge milestone. Big thanks if you watched the whole video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below. For commissions, check out the commission contact info down below and check out my online shop for my original drawings and prints which are left. I will upload the speed version of this drawing on this channel as well, so stay tuned for that, and that's it guys. Thank you all for watching and I see you on the next